Omni from FRANKE, one tap that does it all. Cold water from the mains, of course, and hot water from your home heating system naturally. But what's really wonderful is that this same kitchen tap also delivers delicious, freshly filtered drinking water. So no more need for filter jugs or expensive bottled water. And if you think that's refreshing, Omni also delivers instant boiling water. Not nearly boiling water like some other taps, but really boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, which can really help speed up cooking. Or help make the perfect cup of tea.
Omni's engineered for family safety, thanks to the instant cut-off handle. The high-quality marine-grade stainless steel construction is far more durable than brass. It's easy and quick to install too, with colour-coded plug-and-play assembly. And the filter and heater are so compact they fit neatly under the sink. A dream to fit, Omni's a dream to use and maintain as well. The filters are inexpensive and easy to replace. And with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, it's so reliable you don't have to worry about callbacks once it's in. Best of all, Omni's affordable, half the price of some boiling water taps I could mention.
Omni from FRANKE, one tap does it all.